K13 Max E88 E99 screen control drone operation tutorial. Differences in style and design. Same remote control, same functionality. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connecting the power supply. The red light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect remote control. Connecting the power supply. The indicator light stays on during charging. Preparation before flight. Insert memory card. Expand the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. Long press to turn on the drone pilot. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. Calibrate the gyroscope with an external 8 drag rod. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone, and then push it up again to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Retreat. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep 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 3 times for high-speed gear. Enable headless mode. The drone will reverse in the direction of the remote control. Exit headless mode. Short press to enter fine-tuning. If the drone deviates to the left, adjust it to the right. Move forward, then move backward. Short press to exit fine-tuning. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. Unmanned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. One-click landing. Short press the camera button to take a photo. Short press the recording button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Long press the photo, video button to view the album. Click to switch between recording videos. Click to play the video recording. Long press to return to the image transfer screen. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing app identification. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Connect app. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the corresponding system app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply click on your phone and start flying.